Hello, we are coming to you from Cotting Consulting. We have some great tech tips to assist teachers, parents, and service providers. Today we're going to look at how to use and access split screen in iOS, macOS, and Chromebook. Split screen is a powerful way to access information from two different sources. It can be helpful for students who are researching a topic while also using a word processor side by side. And educators may find it helpful when writing progress notes or even report writing. We're in iOS 12 on iPad and currently have a Google Docs file opened up. Let's look for an image using Safari web browser. From the bottom dock, we're going to tap and hold the Safari icon while dragging it over the Google Apps window. You'll see the icon slightly change, and then it opens up a split screen. Now you can adjust the size and make your windows pretty dynamic. Let's look for that image on the Time for Kids website about astronauts. So you go ahead, find your image, tap, press and hold, and now drag into your Google document. Pretty easy. On macOS, you might have several windows opened at once. In this example, I have two web browsers opened with information, including a Google Doc. Let's look at the top left corner of your web browser. We're going to highlight the green Maximize target area. You want to click and hold this target, which next shows a blue background for split screen. I've chosen to drop that browser on the right side. And then you can choose which of the open windows you'd like to display on the left side. When using a Chromebook, you would typically see a full screen web browser window, but you'll also use the Maximize button in the top right corner. Let's look at this again. We'll select and hold the Maximize icon and the two arrows appear. Choose which direction you want this window to move. To activate split screen, simply click and drag your second tab at the top of the screen. The Chrome operating system allows you to move and toggle around your windows a little bit more, and you can dial in exactly how you want this to look. We hope you enjoyed this video on split screen access and look forward to seeing you again. Feel free to comment below, and if you have any questions about Cotting Consulting Services, you can reach us at cotting.org.